Join me in this video as we travel 331 kilometers, where we did 150 kilometers from Harties to the Val. Then we left the Val and went to Mabopane in Pretoria, which is 160 kilometers with the guys. We met up with cops on the road
To Pretoria somewhere.
So join me as we explore the roads on our beautiful motorcycles. But before then, something crazy happened. My friend passed away.
Sad night, evening. If you continue to ride, know the risks and the rewards of this game has high highs and low lows. So it's our brother, he's gone. So
Now this is me repairing my rear tire. I had a bit of a puncture. And then this is me putting in the repair kit. And then I just cut it off and then inflating it, and now we're good. And now we're leaving Harties on our way to the Val. Let's go.
So I'll talk to you guys as soon as we get onto the highway. As you can see, we're having major fun. That's all right, baby. When you ride behind the purple, the 5-0, you take it easy, boy. Just now we're gonna pass them lekker, easy. As soon as we hit the front, I have gas on hard, baby.
And over here, I'm riding with my main man, and we are about to hit the highway. So listen to the beautiful sounds of my exhaust pipe. Then my main man creeped up from behind me just to tell me this one thing, that there was an issue on his motorcycle. So we had to stop and check out what it is, only to find out he was missing just a little bit of oil, and we topped it up.
You know me. What does that hand signal mean? No. Yes, that's Yes, that was fun, yes.
And then we had a minor stop because one of us actually needed petrol, but another guy got teed off from us, so we needed to check where he was. Luckily he was safe, so we continued on the road. And we met up with another guy that we were riding with, and we finally making it on the road. So very soon we're going to be stopping at a garage to fill up, because none of us want to be stuck on the side of the road because of gas. And then we had a minor stop because one of us actually needed petrol, but another guy got teed off from us, so we needed to check where he was. Luckily he was safe, so we continued on the road. And we met up with another guy that we were riding with, and we finally making it on the road. So very soon we're going to be stopping at a garage to fill up, because none of us want to be stuck on the side of the road because of gas.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
As we were refueling, I couldn't understand this one thing.
And how big is your tank, bro? Yes. Hey, but I'm loving this slip-on, I'm telling you. Damn, baby. bro. Wave. Hey, baby. One run, baby. One time. Yes. Nice ride, my friend.
Wow.
I was giving it to you.
Yeah?
Nice ride, my mate. Yeah. I tell you, not a lot of people can ride this bike the way you ride it. We call it. A lot of GS riders can't ride like adventure riders. Maybe go na kayo but yeah. Yeah, no, I feel like I said to stand. Oof. Nothing's wrong.
I just made it to Pretoria somewhere. Fuck. Just made it here, so we're gonna make it happen, baby. Alright, cool. We just got to this biking event, and yeah, both biking events seem to be a bit quiet. So, shuffle it. Nothing on. Ah, man. Hi. Ashlo. Hola. Nice to meet you. Hola. Yeah, as you can see, that's the turnover. The turnout, so yeah. Weather is crazy. Shit, weather is crazy. Look at this shit, bro. Ah, it's fucked up, bro. What the hell, bro? Weather just changed all of a sudden. My nigga, my dog.
My nigga,
My dog. Omonkey, o sabaladita.
MPH.
O sabaladita batsai omonkey. My nigga, my dog. Real. Yes, spon up here, fanyiwa. How the hell am I going to look at this shit? How am I gonna get home? It's insane. It's raining, guys. It's raining. I wanna take out my microphone. I'm scared it's gonna get wet and then even boy. I'm not. I wanna take off the mic. I'm scared it's gonna get wet and then it become a problem. So check you all in the flip side. Check it fucking raining, bro. It's crazy. Look at this. It's mad, bro. Mad crazy. I don't even know what I'm gonna do now. I'm not even sure you guys can hear me, but we're gonna make it happen, baby. The stage is empty. Funeral, and I was on my way to go there. It was insane how I was wiping the tears in my helmet, but the best thing that would help me right now is for you guys to like the video, subscribe, and wait for my next upload, because it's situations like this that actually mold us.